Today I'm coming to you in a jacket, I think for the first time. It's because it's a rainy season here in Kenya, and let me tell you, the rains are heavy. And so it's kind of cold here, and that's why today I'm in a jacket. Anyway, keep that aside. I am here today to tell you that ElimuPro is now out. Everything is done and dusted, from the mobile app to the admissions portal and to a backend that is running on ERPNex. So what should that tell you? That should tell you that ElimuPro is a very complete system, from finance to human resource, and we are going to be seeing that, to everything else that comes with ERPNex. Everything is bundled together. So we have customized this so that it suits every university, every college, and then we have made it in such a way that it is highly customizable. So as much as we have spent months doing this thing and making it into an application that it is today, if you have requirements that are very specific to your school, then ElimuPro is going to take care of that. How about I jump in and show you what is already in ElimuPro? Let's get started. So this is the landing of ElimuPro. That is the landing page of ElimuPro, or what some of you may like or prefer to call home page. And this is the website. So here, this is not an application rather, but just a website that shows you what ElimuPro contains, and you can go through it yourself, but today I would like to center our attention on the solutions page. Again, because I don't want to make the video very long. So when we jump straight to the solutions page, you can see that we have the first solution here, student admission. And what do we mean by student admission? I'm just going to click on it, and as it loads, you can see that this is what we have here. So this, I want to demo to you what student admission does. And there we have built an application here. You can see this is a wonderful application that we have built here. And this connects to ERPNex backend. So this application is done in React just to make sure that it is very fast and to eliminate any kind of loading work. So this gives a very wonderful user experience for the users and for the people who are going to be applying to join your college. Remember, this is going to be branded for your college, so once you subscribe, we are going to brand this for you, and then students can apply here. Remember, this is not cast in stone, so you don't have to use this form as it looks. You can give us your form and you are going to customize that. So how does this work currently? The student enters their mobile number, and this is important so that, of course, once they capture that, even if they don't continue the rest of the process, you can get back to them through this. So once they do that, the next thing is the name. So I'm just going to select the names here so that we can speed up. The mobile number will come pre-populated there. I can pick an email address. I can pick my grade. And here I can check the index number of my index number. And then here I'm going to select the course. Now, these courses are coming from, again, a backend, that is ERPNex. So we are going to first of all map the courses that you have in your school or college in the backend, which is ERPNex. And then from there, we are going to use it to pre-populate the list where the applicants are going to be selecting the course which they want to study in your school. Then from there, we have categories of students. And here we have border and day scholar, I mean. So this, because we have configured the backend in such a way that the system automatically assigns a fee structure to a student depending on a number of factors. One of the factors is the category of the student. And again, just to remind you, the category are not supposed to be only these. If you have other categories in schools, like for instance, special students which probably pay less fees, and we have maybe students that belong to or whose parents are workers in your college, and therefore maybe their fees is subsidized, and all those kind of categories, we can have them here. And then there, once a student selects, the system knows which fee structure is going to assign to that student. So in this one, I'm just going to select a day scholar. And then the academic year, of course, the current one is 2023 and 2024. We can, of course, put as many academic years there as you wish. And then here we have the term. So which term is this student joining? We are just going to say this is coming in term 1. Then we are going to say next. And then we are going to select the date of birth for this student. Let's say, for instance, this one was born in 2002. I didn't select. This was, let's say, 2004. July, and whichever date, let's say 8th. There we go. And you also need a gender of the student. Let's say male, for instance. You can select these other things, for instance, like country and all those. We have pre-populated that data, but it's not mandatory. We can then go ahead and click next. The last page is a summary, which just gives you a summary of what has been entered. So the student is supposed, or rather the applicant is supposed to confirm that this information is correct, and then they are going to click on submit. And you notice that we have put the form very short just to make sure that it does not encourage applicants. So once you have that data in your backend, which is your school, then you can go ahead and follow up with the student and all that and find out the rest of the information that they need to forward to the college, and from there you can continue with the application process. And here, once you finish, we have two things. You can go to the school website and you can make another application. For instance, if I click on make another application, this just takes me back to this page. So that is what we mean by a student admission. So it's basically a very simple but very powerful application platform that is built on React, and it sends the data to ERPNex on the backend for ease of management by the people who are managing applications. Amazing. The next thing that I would like to show you is student management. Of course, I am not going to be logging into ERPNex to show you that, but there is a lot that you can study from our website here. From student profiles to all this, I will just allow you to go and study this from our website. It's again is ElimuPro.com, and I have also put in the description section of this video below here, I have put this link to this website there so that you can go and see what exactly is in student management, because it is very robust. It's a very robust student management system. So once you have students in school, of course, you need to manage their biodata, you need to manage their progress and all that. The next thing is learning management. So we have a very, again, comprehensive learning management solution. So again, people, we are waiting for your call so that we can show you what exactly we have in our learning management system. But before that, even before you pick your phone and give us a call, just go ahead and look at this, what we have on our website, and see the features that are there out of the box. And then the other thing is of course additionals. That is not all, guys. There is a lot of additional things that we have here, from attendance tracking to academic progress monitoring to see how your students are faring in school. So attendance tracking, again, here we have biometric integration, so you can track your students by biometric, when they are coming in, when they are going out. You can easily do that within the application. And again, the system is integration with SMSs, so that every time there is an action that requires attention using attendance system, it notifies the relevant authorities, whether it is a parent, it is a teacher on duty, and all that. That is already taken care of. Then there is grading system, and this is amazing, guys, because we have a mobile app. This is what I mentioned when we were starting. So the mobile app, again, is ready. You can see it here. This is what you are expecting, and this is on Play Store. And again, you don't have to struggle a lot going to. You can go to Play Store, yes, Play Store, and type ElimuPro as one word, and you're going to get this application. But I have even made your work easier. Go to the website that I just showed you and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here, you will see a Google Play. So get a mobile app. When you click on that, it's going to take you directly to this page. And if you have not installed, you see a button to allow you to install. So here, the mobile app will manage everything from, let me show you. It's going to manage everything from reports all the way to fees and all those kind of things. Is going to be managed on the mobile app. So again, the mobile app is ready for students and for parents. And therefore, that's it. There is of course, you can contact us through the contact information that is on this page. So let me just show you, so that when you need the application, you don't have to start looking for our contacts. Our contacts are here. You can call any of these numbers, or you can write to this email address, and we are going to be talking to you in the next minute. Thank you so much for listening to this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section, or you can just ping me through any of these numbers, and I am happy to help you with your questions. I look forward to automating your school starting January. Thank you so much, and see you during implementation.